We have breaking news for you right at the top, wherein India's top general has now come out to question the 1962 war folly. CDS questions Nehru's no Air Force use move. Nehru didn't use Air Force in 1962 China war. CDS has said using the IAF would have slowed down China. CDS Chauhan cites Air Force use in Operation Sindoor. Nehru felt IAF use on China was escalatory. 1962 versus 2025, how Bharat's response has changed. That is what we are looking at here. Chief of Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan on Wednesday has said that the use of Air Force would have slowed down the Chinese offensive considerably during the 1962 Sino-Indian War, and it may have even been termed as escalatory then, but that is not the case now as seen in the Operation Sindoor. Speaking about the war with China 63 years ago, he's noted the forward policy should not have been applied uniformly to Ladakh and NEFA, which is the Northeast Frontier Agency, or present-day Arunachal Pradesh, arguing that the two regions had different histories of dispute and entirely different terrain. Following identical policies was flawed in that matter. So this is what has been said by CDS Anil Chauhan on the very matter, and this is what we are highlighting at the very top of this very segment of the bulletin. These are questions that's been raised, parallels or rather comparisons that have been drawn between the Sino-Indian War and how Operation Sindoor, or in today's time, India's defense strategy has evolved over the years, with questions being raised with regards to why the Air Force was not put to use, or rather why was it looked at as escalatory back in the day when it could indeed have stopped or rather slowed down the Chinese offensive. Now, Shivani Sharma joins me on the broadcast to put this into further context. Shivani, very good morning to you. Let's understand what's been raised here by the CDS, not just drawing comparisons between the two situations, 1963 versus 2025, but the Air Force angle that's been highlighted, how India is today using its Air Force to, in fact, strengthen its defense strategy.
Shreya, what CDS has said is about the immense transformation in the policy when it comes to war, giving a free hand to the forces. That's what we saw in Operation Sindoor when Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Defence Minister, they had been holding meetings with the CDS and the chiefs of the services. They were given a free hand to act against Pakistan when it was harboring terror inside the territory. And what happened in 1962 was compared to what happened in 2025 in Operation Sindoor. So there's a lot of change now. He has said that if we would have used Air Force then, it would have been considered escalatory. But now the things are not same. The policies have changed. Now we have full freedom to act according to our aims and goals. So that's how Indian policy when it comes to the armed forces has changed drastically in last 63 years, Shreya. And that's the comparison which the CDS was also drawing.
Absolutely. He's also spoken about the terrain in that very region and how the entire strategy that India had adopted back then might have gotten a little more, strengthened from our side had we used our Air Force back then as well. And today, of course, our Air Force has also been strengthened manifold. But even back then, India was in a position to make use of its air power to, in fact, control or restrict the Chinese intrusion, the Chinese offensive in this side.
Certainly, Shreya, see the terrain there in Ladakh is known to everybody, and on foot, the army soldiers, they were fighting this battle in absolutely extreme terrain, and also the conditions, the weather conditions out there. The Air Force could have made a difference because, I'm right now in Chandigarh reporting about the MiGs phase out, and MiGs had also participated in 1965 Indo-Pakistan war, and they made a difference. So if they were used in 1962 also, there could have been a difference, and India, the situation could have been quite different in 1962 also, because they were not used, the Air Force was not used. What was the circumstance, everybody knows. And he also said, the CDS also says that it could have been called an escalatory measure by India, because India was not as open that time as it is today when it comes to the forces use and for the use of the Air Force also. We are today much more free, we are much more aggressive postured. And that's why the armed forces have seen this transformation in last few years, where we are much more aggressive and also have the freedom to act according to the needs. That's what is required, and that was also required in 1962, Shreya. But what CDS is saying, that we did not use the air force, which could have been escalatory measure considered then. And but yes, it could have made a difference. It could have slowed down the Chinese that time and given us more time on the land.
Absolutely. Shivani, thank you for bringing us all those details and putting this into context, what has been said by the CDS. But yes, viewers, we're looking at two different situations, two different timelines. One back in the year 1963 and one in 2025. And this is what has been highlighted by the CDS as he speaks of it now.